I want to talk to you about Site123 website builder. So this will be a review of the platform. I want to talk about the pros and cons, the functionalities, the modules, the pricing, everything. So here's the bottom line. When you think about Site123 website builder, I want you to think about a tool that's very user friendly and that allows you to actually create your website really fast. Okay. Now you're not having a pretty sophisticated website with Site123. That's definitely not what it is. But the thing is that this platform is really great when it comes to simplifying the journey, the website building journey for you. So that's really great. So the cool thing about Site123 is that they also offer website hosting. So you can build your website with them. You can get a domain name with them. You can actually also host you can build, you can host, you can have a domain name, you can have everything. Think about Site123 as an all-in-one service. Okay. And so we love that. So Site123 proves effective for uncomplicated websites, personal portfolios, or small businesses venturing online for the first time. Nothing really complicated. When you think about something convoluted, Site123 is not your preferred platform. They can't really handle that. They were not built for it. Okay. So what are the pros and cons when it comes to Site123 website builder? The pros first. This platform offers a variety of templates, allowing users like you to quickly create a website with a professional look. The site provides actually responsive customer support, assisting users like you with any issues they may encounter. It has a simple and intuitive website editor that guides you through the process of building your site. And it really also supports many plugins and plugins such as 99 Analytics. You have MailChimp, you have a Facebook, Pixel, and more. So that's really good. And a Site123 website builder has a free plan that allows you to create a basic website with a 500 megabyte storage, 1 gigabyte bandwidth, and a free domain for the first year on a paid plan. First year. Second year, they will actually hit you with a huge renewal cost. So be very careful there. So what about the cons here? What about the cons when we think about Site123 website builder? Well, this platform offers limited design flexibility and customization options. It has hidden costs and features that are only available on the higher tier plans, such as email accounts, e-commerce, SEO, and more. It provides low storage and bandwidth limits compared to other website builders, and it has mediocre, in our view, templates and design quality. And your site may look outdated or generic. So again, you will have a website, but don't expect something really extraordinary, on Site123. I want to talk to you about the use cases here. When you think about Site123 website builder, who is this platform really for? Let's have a conversation about that. So basically, consider Site123 if you are a small business owner who needs a straightforward solution for like your online presence. If you want a comprehensive online store with integrated payment and inventory management, and if you want to focus on robust e-commerce functionality. The cool thing is that Site123 will help you out there. But again, we're talking here about very like small scale, small level website. Nothing really complicated, nothing really convoluted. Okay. Like if you start thinking about having third party apps galore on your website, then you are going to start thinking about a Site123 alternative. So who is a Site123 website builder not for? So you want to go for an alternative platform if you require extensive customization options, or let's say even advanced features, because the Site123 prioritizes simplicity over complexity, right? So if you are, let's say, if you need a highly specialized website with intricate design elements, then Site123 is not really the platform where you should be at. Okay, you got to really change your neighborhood, so to speak, your online neighborhood. And Site123 website builder is not really for you if you are a large enterprise with complex e-commerce needs. Because really, when you think about Site123, at least what we have seen, we've seen that this platform actually caters to small and medium-sized businesses. So if you're a large enterprise, maybe it's better to go for Magento, Adobe Commerce, for instance. And also a Site123 website builder is not right for you if you value scalability and advanced customization because basically the platform again wasn't built for that sort of thing. So if that's what you want, you got to look elsewhere. Let's talk about what Site123 website builder offers. Again, I'm giving you a Site123 website builder review. So we have a clear idea what this platform is all about. And so basically, first of all, you have beautiful templates. You have mobile friendly design. That's an important element. You have e-commerce that's made easy. You have SEO friendly. You have reliable hosting. You are able to get started in minutes, not in days. And you have 24/7 customer support. Let's break it down for you. Let me break it down for you. When I talk about beautiful templates, you have the possibility to choose from a wide variety of stunning templates designed to cater to different industries and purposes. So whether you're a small business owner, a blogger, an artist, Site123, among other things, has a template that suits your style. You have mobile friendly design, so that's really good. So Site123 automatically optimizes your site for mobile, ensuring that your visitors have a seamless browsing experience, whether it is on desktop, whether it is on a laptop, on tablets, so everywhere, okay? On mobile. You have e-commerce made easy. So if you want to start selling products online, Site123's e-commerce features have got you covered. So you can set up your online store, add products, and manage orders easily. With secure payments options and customizable shipping methods, you are ready to start making sales in no time. So that's really cool. And you also have SEO friendliness. So I want to insist on that because without SEO, you can't really attract the kind of traffic that you want for your website. So SEO123 provides you with built-in SEO tools to help your website rank higher in search engine results. So from meta tags to customizable URLs, Site123 has everything you need to boost your online presence. You also have reliable hosting. So basically, as I said to you earlier, a lot of folks, when they hear Site123, they think about website hosting, but no, website hosting, they also have website building. They also do domain registration. So they do a lot of things. So, and you are able to get started within minutes. So that's really fantastic. I want to talk to you about the differentiators. When you think about Site123, what type of differentiators should you be thinking about? In other words, where does Site123 website builder stand out? Let's go granular here. So if you are considering Site123 website builder, you're probably wondering where it stands out, and you got to think about ease of use. Ease of use is really big. This is one area where Site123 really shines, and they have gained a reputation for offering a simple and user-friendly interface. So whether you are a beginner or have limited technical skills, you will find easy to navigate and build your website through Site123. You have a quick setup, so you can set up your website, and basically all you have to do go through the process, go through a series of questions, and you can choose from a variety of templates to kickstart your design. You have 24/7 support. You have mobile responsive templates. We love that a lot because basically you have the ability to actually make sure that you can have a website ready to go in a few minutes. You have e-commerce features, very important. And you also have solid support for multilingual sites. Not a lot of players have that, but Site123 does have it. It's especially beneficial if you are targeting a global audience or catering to customers who speak different languages. And so where does the Site123 website builder fall short? Well, you have limited customization because the depth and breadth of customization is not there. There are some limitations on the free plan. The pricing model is not really clear. So you have a lack of transparency there. You have limited template variety. So, you have a lot of templates, but the variety is not there either. And you also have complex website needs. So if you're looking to create a complex website with advanced functionality, or specific customizations, Site123 may not be the best fit for you. That's what I said a little earlier, right? While it offers, don't get me wrong though, while it offers solid features for personal and business websites, it may not have the extensive capabilities required for more intricate projects in our view. And this is a bummer, especially if you have to run something big. And this is an important element. I want to talk to you now about the specs. So when you think about Site123 website builder, what specs should you be thinking about? How do you qualify for this Site123 builder? Pretty straightforward. I mean, you don't have to check your credit or whatever. No, you want to visit the Site123 website. Okay, and you want to sign up. You want to click on the sign up or get started button on the home page, and basically you have to choose a plan. So they do actually offer different plans to suit the various needs. And basically you got to choose a plan that works for you, right? Provide your information. So I'm talking about your first name, last name, your business info, your email, and so on and so forth. You got to select a template. So after creating your account, you'll be prompted to choose a template for your website. And Site123 offers a variety of professionally designed templates to choose from. And then you customize your website. So when I talk about customization here, I'm talking about color, font, all that kind of stuff, right? Once you have selected a template, you can begin customizing your website. You want to add your text, your images, and branding elements to make it unique and tailored to your needs. And Site123 provides an intuitive drag and drop editor, making it very easy in our view to customize your site without any coding knowledge. That's the cool thing. You don't need to have a coding knowledge to actually customize your Site123 website. So this is really fantastic. And once you're done, just publish your website. Pretty straightforward. You got to really just take one last look at your website. And if you're satisfied with the design and content of your website, it's just time to publish it. So simply click on the publish button and your website will go live on the internet for everyone to see, and you'll start driving traffic. So that's really cool. But long story short, you have to remember that if you don't find a template that really works for you, then you are really you are toast, because Site123 doesn't want you to really code. I mean, if you know coding, you can code, but they just prefer users to choose among their catalog of pre-established templates. I mean, that's how they build their business model anyway. I want to talk to you about the alternatives. I'll talk to you about the rivals. So when we talk about Site123 website builder, basically you have a lot of players. You have WordPress, you have Wix, you have Squarespace, among others, by the way. And so when I talk about WordPress is a highly versatile and widely used website builder. It offers a range of customization options and features, making it, in our view, suitable for various types of websites, from blogs to e-commerce sites. And WordPress has an extensive library of themes and plugins that gives you, and that library gives you the flexibility to create a unique and personalized website that meets your specific needs. Okay, and if you get it done properly, you are good to go. What about Wix? Well, Wix is a user-friendly website builder that provides a drag and drop editor and a wide selection of professionally designed templates. And it offers a range of features, including e-commerce capabilities. You have SEO tools, and you also have a mobile-friendly interface. And we love the fact that Wix actually has a huge, and I mean a humongous app market. You have 800 to 1,000 apps on Wix, so that's really cool. In addition to that, Wix offers a free plan with limited features, making it a great option for beginners or those on a budget. You also have Squarespace, so that's another another biggie when it comes to website building. So Squarespace is popular for its sleek and modern designs, making it a popular choice for creative professionals and businesses. So if you are a videographer, if you are a photographer, if you are an artist, if you are a creative in general, you might want to give Squarespace a try. And this platform offers an intuitive interface and a variety of customizable templates. And Squarespace also provides robust e-commerce features, SEO tools, and reliable hosting. So that's an important element to think about. And while it may have a steeper learning curve compared to other website builders, it offers a high level of design flexibility and functionality. And that really helps you in the long run because you know what you're getting yourself into. And that's really fantastic. let me give you some extra information here. So when we think about the Site123 website builder, in terms of customer reviews, positive. People love this service. They love the fact that it's user friendly, it's affordable. Okay, the platform also scores up very high when it comes to features, when it comes to simplicity. So that's really fantastic. We love that a lot. And let me give you a few pro tips here. When it comes to choosing Site123 website builder, or another for that matter, another provider for that matter, you want to outline what your website should have. So, and you got to be really granular. We're talking here about being as thorough as possible, right? Pages, content, everything that you have to really think about. And this will make your life a lot easier in the long run. You want to scroll through those templates. So find one that speaks to you and your website's vibe. A clean design is your secret weapon. Click around and customize things, but don't go crazy though. Keep it clean and consistent. Sim fonts, sim color scheme, you got this. You want to check your site on your phone. It should look good there too. Mobile users are a big deal. Don't ignore them. You want to head to the SEO settings. So you want to add snappy titles, descriptions, and keywords. Get Google to notice you. That's what you want. You want Google to notice you. And once it notices you, it's going to start sending organic traffic to your site. And don't play hide and seek with your visitors. Clear menus and logical orders. Make it easy to find stuff on your website. And you want to add a contact form. Make it easy for people to reach you. Keep it simple, just the essentials, right? And you want to update your content regularly, so fresh info keeps visitors coming back. So plus Google loves it, and connects your social media. So spread the word and let your visitors share the goodness. So that's really cool. So as a recap here, to actually create a successful website, you want to start with strategic planning, outlining your site's structure, right? You want to choose a professional template that aligns with your brand, customize it with a consistent and clean design, and optimize images for faster load times, and ensure also mobile compatibility for a broader reach, and utilize Site123's SEO settings for improved visibility. And the cool thing is that you can always try to simplify navigation for an intuitive user experience, include a clear and concise contact form, keep content fresh with regular updates, explore Site123 tutorials and support for enhanced proficiency, and you can build your professional website step by step. This is really fantastic. So here's the bottom line. In today's conversation, I talked to you about Site123 website builder. This was a review of the tool. I actually gave you our bottom line, the use cases, the differentiators, the specs, the extra information, and once again, the bottom line. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.